Well, today is a new day. We've checked out of the Disneyland Hotel and we're getting ready to check into the Hotel Miracosta here at Disney Sea. This is the hotel, which is part of the park, which is pretty amazing. There goes a monorail. So we're going to be heading into the hotel to see if we can check in. And there is an entrance from the hotel directly into the park, so we don't have to go through any of the main securities and entrances. So we're gonna walk into the hotel.
It's amazing. It really is amazing. Just to see the detail, just to see the way they did this.
I know, it's beautiful.
This is the kind of detail we don't do in our parks anymore.
Yeah, unfortunately. Sounds like the band may be out front.
I had a band in Disneyland, Tokyo
Yeah.
Disneyland in the morning, so they probably have one as well down by the Globe.
Oh, here goes the monorail. This is the front entrance of the Hotel Miracosta. So this is where cars would drive up. And then there's the front. We are heading into the lobby. Wow. So this is the hotel lobby, and then as a hotel guest of the Hotel Miracosta, we have access into Disney Sea directly from the hotel, because as we go down the steps, we look out this window, and this is the park. Oh my gosh. We just checked into our room here at the Hotel Miracosta, and we are in 3437, but I wanted to show you these panels. They have these all down the hallway. They're all different, and they have the characters in them. There's Goofy down there, and on the other side, there's a different scene with Mickey and Minnie, and it looks like Daisy, Donald, Goofy, and Pluto, which are pretty cool. And so here is our room. So as soon as you come in, we have the bathroom, and we've discovered that they have wonderful amenities. You get these hotel tins that have, your normal Q-tips, cotton swab, and it's a headband to pull your hair back when you wash your face. When we were in the Disneyland Hotel, there was a ponytail holder, so that's nice. So you get 3 of those, toothbrushes, you get little Mickey cups, and so you have normal washcloths, but they also give you these washcloths. They're like almost like a loofah. I use them over in the Disneyland Hotel, and they are amazing. So a few of those are coming home with us. And then in the drawer you have your tissues, and they have toothbrushes for children. And then you've got your blow dryer and a hairbrush. And that's just one of those like plastic ones that fold up. There's your face and hand soap, some cups, a nice mirror. And let's see, well, first of all, let's take a look at Mickey on the door. And then, so this is the shower room. So this has a bathtub, and you have your handheld shower, which you can put up there, so you can have it at either one. Now this is interesting because in the Disneyland Hotel we had a rain shower head, and this doesn't have it. It just has the handheld, which is interesting because this is supposed to be a higher level of a hotel than the Disneyland Hotel, so I'm just a little surprised that that wasn't there. But there is your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and if they're the same as the Disneyland Hotel, they're great. A very nice deep tub, and then the Japanese stool, and the little bucket that you can use to rinse yourself off. And then on the other side we have our toilet room, and just a toilet, but of course it is the Japanese toilet. This one is a little different than the one in the Disneyland Hotel because all of the bidet and all of that stuff was on the wall. So we'll have to figure out, I don't even know how to flush it. I'll have to get my Google Translate to help us out there. And in the closet, you've got your hangers, your extra blankets and pillows, a shoe brush, a shoe horn, and then, of course, most importantly, is those Mickey slippers. So we've got adults and then for children. I did use those in our other hotel room, and they're very nice. So we have some cups and saucers, a kettle if you want tea, an ice bucket, some glasses, and let's see. There is our refrigerator, and we have some water inside. And let's see what we've got here. Oh, so coffee, and I can see the sugar and everything that we need through that. And then here is the room. So these are, I would say they're a double size bed. So two people definitely cannot fit in these beds. So we've been using the two beds. And there is a tapestry. So you'll see on the headboards that they are Venice carving in there. That's because our room is on the Venice side of the building, and we are at the very, very end of the building. And let's see, so we've got these bags. We got bags like this at the Disneyland Hotel, and they are like a reusable bag. And I was surprised because I took them the first day we were there and put them in my suitcase. And when we came back the next day, we had two more bags. So I just left them out on the counter, and they gave us two more. So we have 6 bags. So, and let's see, in the desk drawer, we have Hotel Miracosta postcards. So we'll be taking those along with us. So we have this table with 2 chairs and a light. We have some artwork, which is a map with Mickey on there.
It's a wonderful map. Lots of inside Disney humor and trivia on the
Oh,
map.
neat. Okay.
Straits of Yasnid, Disney spelled backwards.
Oh, right. Yes. So right there. That's pretty neat. Okay. And then the thing that, actually, before we do that, in Tokyo Disney hotels, at least in the Disneyland and here in the Miracosta, you get pajamas, not to keep, but to wear. I'm not sure if they do that in their other hotels or not. But let me see. Yeah, that was it. We have a flashlight in case of an earthquake. But now the thing that we all want to see is that view. So let's go ahead and open the curtains and take a look.
It's oh my.
What are we looking at?
Not what I was expecting.
Me either. We are looking at a pool view, and the the gondolas are way, that looks like where they keep the gondolas. So this definitely is not the view that we were expecting. So I'm a little disappointed, actually. So I think maybe we'll be reaching out to the front desk. Not the way I thought this video would be ending. Oh, you know what? I do see it because I can see the gondola. That's where they drop the people off at. So we do technically have a gondola view.
Actually, this
So,
is not bad. It's an interesting view because no one really is using the pool, ever used the pool,
yeah,
probably.
and
that's New York.
it's raining. You can see the pool. It's just started to pour.
That's New York over on the left, New York Street.
Oh yeah, yep. Is this the back of the Tower of Terror? Because I can see the stack of the
No,
Columbia.
I don't think so. Maybe the back of the theater.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, I guess technically we have a gondola view. It's just not the view we thought we would be over on the other side. But so you can see how far we've walked because I'm sure we came up in the elevator over this way and we had to walk all the way around. So, so that is our room tour.